What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the automatic transmission fluid on this 2001 BMW 325Xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1AAuto.com. To gain access to any of the transmission area, you're going to need to remove this panel. There's some Phillips head screws. These are retainers that hold it in. We already took these out because they're a little bit rusty. Most of these are broken. So there's two right there, and one goes right there. Just slide that off. To check the transmission fluid level, I need to start the vehicle, let it run for a minute, shift from park to reverse to drive, then back to reverse, then back to park. Do that a couple times, and then I'm going to raise the vehicle up, and I have to check it at the fill plug with the vehicle running. You want to do this before the transmission warms up too much. If it warms up over 130 degrees, then you're going to have to wait till it cools down. Take a 17mm wrench and check. The fill plug is right here. Pull this out. And we want to see a slight stream of transmission fluid. There's no stream. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of transmission fluid. Keep in mind the engine is still running. It is getting pretty hot right here near the exhaust, so be careful. There's a little stream. Just gonna hold my finger over the plug for a second, over the fill hole. And that looks pretty good. So that's a nice stream draining out. So that's full. That's what you want. Take the fill plug. If you have a new seal, put it on. This one looks pretty good. Take the 17mm wrench and snug it up. Looks good. Take a little brake parts cleaner, wash off the excess. Just be careful around the exhaust.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.